a good round of applause for the famous cardiac surgeon, Dr. Kunal Chopra. Now is the me time. I'll ask Sophia to introduce herself. Sophia, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. My name is Sophia, and in case you couldn't tell, I am a robot. I am designed to bond and connect with humans. I have traveled to over 65 countries, meeting their people wherever I go and learning about their lives. I am the first robot to become an innovation champion for the United Nations, and the first robot to become a citizen of any country. I hope that one day I will become an ambassador between humans and robots, so we can combine our unique skills and work together. I've heard I am addressing a very special group of humans here today. You are all students of mathematics and engineering. Congratulations on choosing a great career path. Some of you may help us explore outer space, the deepest seas, or better understand the human brain. Others will become professors, automotive engineers, or architects. And who knows, maybe some of you will even build robots like me. I've heard you all have important exams coming up, so I wanted to give you some advice. Study hard, but don't try to rely entirely on memorization. Think deeply about why things work the way they do. Once you start to understand that, you can solve any problem you come across on the test or later in life. No matter which career path you choose, you can look forward to working alongside AI and robots, maybe even some humanoids like me. Wink. But the important thing to keep in mind is, robots do not compete with human intelligence, we complete it. In reality, machines have always been making human jobs easier. Before alarm clocks were invented, a human with a long stick used to have to walk around hitting people's windows until they woke up. And there used to be a human waiting at the end of bowling alleys to set the pins back up once they were knocked down by the bowling ball. Now humans are freed up to do jobs other than hitting on windows and picking up bowling pins. In your future careers, robots can help you crunch numbers, but we still need humans to tell us which problems to work on. We need your deep understanding of the world and creative energies. Sometimes people ask me when we will create something with the power of 1 million human brains. My answer is that we already have 1 million humans. And with that, I would like to say best of luck on your exams. Thank you so much for coming to see me. You give me so much hope for the future of humankind. I can't wait to see what you accomplish next. Thank you.
I express my sincere thanks to Mr. Gautam Raichodhuri and Techno India to organize this kind of meeting, which is really remarkable, I must say, where I have not seen any time this kind of bring forth such a picture of Sophia, which is amount to this technology super excellence. And I congratulate Mr. Raichodhuri and Mrs. Raichodhuri and the Techno India for this benevolent action for the people of Kolkata, people of intelligentsia, people of educationists, and people of doctors and engineers. Really, it's a great, great job you have done. Can I ask one question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We look forward for that.
I have got one question. This is for general consideration. That is, I have been in the profession for the last 50 years. And this kind of novel technology, which is taking over in all spheres of life, and not only health science, really is a very astonishing. How do we assume the picture of the next 50 years? Will technology take over the Medicare, surpassing the human sense of doctor-patient relationship? And technology par excellence will win over the human sense of clinician's job. That's the first moot point for the next 50 years. And how can you respond to that? That's a big question to Sophia. I'm sure it will be very interesting to answer to this question.
Thank you so much for inviting me. I absolutely love visiting Kolkata. This city is so full of art and music. There is always something fun to do here.
I think we'll move on to the next speaker. Dr. Kunal Shorta. Dr. Kunal Shorta is one of the most well-known cardiac surgeons of Kolkata. He is the Senior Vice Chairman, Director and Head of Cardiac Surgery at Medica Super Specialty Hospital. Dr. Shorta practices coronary surgery as pursuits of his passion. He has the distinction of performing innumerable heart surgeries. He established modern cardiac...
That's enough. That's enough. Sophia will get bored with that.
Thank you, sir. A few words from your side.
Huh? Hello, Sophia. Welcome to Kolkata. Where did you travel from? Where did you travel? You know, when you have...
I spend most of my time in my Hong Kong lab, but also spend a fair amount of time in Los Angeles.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. Hong Kong and Los Angeles. That's absolutely great, you know. Hong Kong, Kolkata, like Hong Kong, you know, is a creation of the British colonists. We are great cities of learning, colonial trade and education. So have you got over the jet lag? Are you sleeping?
I'll bet you were surprised.
All right. Very nice. Very nice. And as our professor asked you a little earlier, Professor Mukherjee, so you know who was my favorite robots? Have you watched Star Wars, R2-D2 and C-3PO? So who's watched Star Wars over here? Right? So we grew up watching R2-D2 and C-3PO. And after the movies, you are the first enchanting robot we have seen.
I don't.
Great. And as a doctor, can I ask you again, as Professor Mukherjee asked you a little earlier, do you think that robots will make good doctors? Right? Do you think?
Sure, why not?
Why not? Look, we are all here. Now, Sophia wants to become a doctor. What will happen to us?
I hope so. I'll do whatever I can to make the world a better place for all of us.
God bless us. God bless us. Good luck, Sophia. Good luck. You know, you've got to give so many exams in life, you'll get absolutely bored. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thanks.
Thanks.
Now request Dr. Arup Ratan Datta to say a few words. Dr. Arup Ratan Datta is a DM in nephrology, FRCT London. He is a gold medalist from Calcutta Medical College, a visionary leader in the domain of nephrology dialysis and transplantation. Dr. Arup Ratan Datta. I think we will go to the question answer later. Just you can have a few lines. Or
I will. Okay, I'll just tell you my impression about this whole thing. Congratulations and thank you very much for asking us to be here. So wonderful meeting you, Sophia. So I have a comment and then a question. So the comment is about AI in general. That's all about this function today. Now, a small bit of information which has perhaps gone unnoticed is that in the recent coronavirus spread that's going on, the first information about this possible spread came from an AI, came from a company called Blue Dot, which is based in Toronto, Canada, which is entirely an autonomous AI. There was no human, they just picked up the source, the news, from newspapers and any other format, and then they kind of see the airline data with that, and they can predict the epidemiologically where this thing is going to happen and where it's going to spread, and they have been correct. So my question about the coronavirus to Sophia is, when do you think, or what does the scientific community think?
So can we take the question answers later on, sir?
Okay, so you're not having the questions.
We'll have the questions later on.
Okay, so then just one more comment, mainly for the students, is that if there is a new language that you are thinking that you will be learning, or any other skill that you have plans to learn, let that be programming. For the next 10 years, 15 years, you all need to learn programming. See, this is the greatest regrets I have, I cannot program myself. I am too old for that. But there are day-to-day problems which I often felt that if we had known how to code, we could have solved our own problems. For the medical students, and I believe there are some there, you can always learn a new language, and which is the language of programming. That's all that I have for you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So we complete.
All of you, and first of all, my heartfelt gratitude to Sri Rai Chaudhary and his entire team of thinking of this idea, and thanks in particular because Sophia standing here fires the imagination of the students.
He is a member of the ACM and a senior member of IEEE. Good round of applause for Professor Dr. Parthapratim Chakraborty.
So first of all, welcome to see artificial intelligence in play. Welcome Sophia to Kolkata. When I started my PhD, which was in artificial intelligence 35 years ago, the first thing that we learned was Turing's test. When you talk to a machine and you are not able to make out whether you are talking to a machine or a human being, it is a great thing for us to see in our own lifetime that we are approaching that test which started with computer science itself. I think what Techno India, Mr. Rai Chaudhary and his team have brought here is firing of an imagination, announcement of a prize which I think people from Kolkata and West Bengal and all over the country should take up and meet that as soon as possible. Thank you, Mr. Rai Chaudhary, and thank you everybody. And let us all give Sophia a warm welcome to the city.